left hand accompaniment from the chord name. First, understand the chord name. Second, play together and make sure both sound match. Third, understand the beat in each measure so that you can break the left hand chord and arrange the left hand chord as you want. So, we are using the music Bloodstream from Jojo. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. Let's listen the music first. I played only the main theme. Let's see the sheet music and play the melody. Let's play with the left hand. We start learning A minor from this music. Play A minor scale. Triads. We apply this triad on the left hand. For example, the first measure when you have left hand A, we play A, C, E. When you see C, we play C, E, G. When you see F, we play F, A, C. When you see E, we play E, G sharp, B. Let's play the melody with the A minor triad. And we break the left hand chord into single note. For example, A, C, E becomes C, E, G, F, A, C, E, G sharp, B. And we put each single left hand note on each beat. After this basic training, you can arrange whatever you want. For example, I'm hoping you understand what we are doing. Have a training to understand each beat in each measure and break the left hand chord and arrange the chord movement by yourself. Enjoy the music. Thank you.